Sometimes the fastest way to a home cook's heart is a shortcut, and the ever-present air fryer has proven that true. They aren't the sleekest appliances, nor the typical chef's darling like the cast iron skillet or the sous vide cooker, but we'd be lying if we said we didn't find a great use for this decade's must-have kitchen tool. Our recent years of testing, researching and judging more French fries than we could count, not that we're complaining, have brought us to the point in selecting the best air fryers. We've seen the good, the bad and the ugly, so we know a great air fryer when we see one. We've pored over countless air fryer reviews, tried dozens of machines and can confidently say we might know too much about air fryers, and we've distilled that knowledge in this video so you don't have to do the same. We've listed the top 6 air fryers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, validconsumer.com. Number 6. Dash 2-quart compact air fryer. If you're not sure an air fryer is right for you, this option is less than half the cost of others on the market, making it a great choice for anyone who doesn't want to invest in an expensive model just yet. We also love this budget-friendly air fryer for folks who live alone or only cook in small batches, as it doesn't take up much counter space and gets the job done without breaking the bank. Considering the cost of the Dash compact air fryer, we were delighted at its cooking performance. Our fries, Brussels sprouts and wings were fully cooked. However, we did feel just 1 minute longer and they would have all been overcooked. For that reason, we recommend setting the timer for a shorter amount of time than you'd usually choose and then adding a couple of additional minutes in the end if necessary. Overall, we noticed this air fryer is fairly quiet while it cooks, but the fan is definitely louder than other models. The timer also dings loudly, which some users may find irritating, but that seems like a small sacrifice to make when considering price and performance. Number 5. Philips Essential Airfryer XL. I was floored by the air frying in the Philips Essential Airfryer XL. It has a unique starfish base that makes sure the air circulates around the entire basket for evenly cooked results. Our homemade fries came out very crispy and evenly cooked, and they finished about 10 minutes ahead of when we'd usually expect them to be ready. The bacon was cooked in just 5 minutes, and the vegetables came out with the crispiest finish in all the air fryers I tested alongside the Essential Airfryer XL. This is thanks to the Philips Essential Airfryer XL's smart preset cooking modes. Admittedly, they were a little confusing at first, and they all have specific timings. That's tricky if you're cooking very different sizes of cuts of meat in one mode. However, once you've mastered this, you hardly need to think about what you're cooking. The presets take care of everything and turn out perfect food every time. Smaller households or those with less kitchen space to spare will love the Philips Essential Airfryer XL, but it is expensive for its capacity and the facade is a little cluttered. This option seriously impressed me with its cooking ability, but I found that it was one of the noisier options I tested at 72 dB. Number 4. Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer AF400. This air fryer has 2 separate compartments, so you can cook 2 different dishes so they're ready to serve at the same time. In our review, we were impressed at just how quickly the air fryer crisped and evenly browned our fries. The 2 cooking drawers, which have crisper plates inside, have an overall capacity of 10 quart, 9.5 litre, and are deep enough to hold a 3 pound, 1.4 kg batch of fries or 4.4 pound, 2 kg chicken each. Ninja also offers a smaller capacity version which holds up to 8 quart, 7.6 litres and is known as the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer AF300. This handy kitchen gadget can roast, dehydrate, bake and even reheat, as well as air fry, although, like most air fryers, the reheat function can't replace a microwave. We were impressed that different cooking methods can be employed in each compartment at the same time, and the sync feature ensures both compartments finish cooking at the same time, so you'll never be waiting around for one part of your meal to finish cooking. It is one of the bulkier air fryers we've tested, and it does take up a significant chunk of space on a worktop. However, it looks pretty stylish, combining a gloss black finish with silver accents. Number 3. Cosori 9-in-1 5-quart air fryer. For those just getting started air frying, this intuitive machine is a great introduction to this cooking method. It comes with clear instructions, and the digital touchscreen display panel makes it simple to choose your cook time and temperature. This is a mid-sized air fryer compared to the rest of the devices that we tested, so it feels small enough to keep out on the counter or store easily, but large enough to cook a big portion of food. The inner basket is roomy and deep, with a release button on the handle so you can easily remove the basket from the machine. In our in-depth testing, the Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer produced golden brown apples and a nice caramelization that was tender and pleasant to bite into. It excelled in our biscuit making tests, serving up biscuit bites with a light golden colour, a crisp exterior and a moist, fluffy interior. The shrimp were slightly soft and probably would have been great with another minute in the fryer to crisp up. But to keep our testing standardised across the devices, we cooked all of the shrimp for 8 minutes. Though they were a little soft, the shrimp were still delicious. Best of all, everything was evenly cooked. If you're worried about the noise level of your appliances, you'll be as impressed as we were with this near-silent air fryer. We could barely hear the fan whirring while it cooked. And other than the beeps it produces when the buttons are pressed, the Cosori 9-in-1 was one of the quietest air fryers that we tested. The price feels reasonable for the amount of cook space and quality of food that this air fryer produces, so it earns our pick as the best air fryer. Number 2. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. Ninja has a great reputation for providing well-made, durable products, including its blenders, and this air fryer is no different. Right out of the box, we appreciated its sturdy, solid feel, and the sleek black finish makes it look like it's right out of a professional kitchen. It's not especially heavy, 10.58 pounds, but the solid construction and rubber feet give it a sturdy feel that was even more noticeable after several days of handling less rugged models. Unlike some of the lower quality machines we tested, the tray of the Ninja wasn't flimsy or loose and settled into the fryer body with a satisfying clunk. We were never concerned that the entire unit would slide around or tip over if we pushed the basket in too hard. We found the control panel of the Ninja AF101 air fryer extremely straightforward to use. It has 4 functions to choose from, all with their own button, so no need to scroll through options, alongside timer and temperature arrows. This minimal layout provided a great balance of convenience and functionality, and the buttons were responsive and had a good tactile feel to them as well. The Ninja AF101 air fryer performed nearly perfectly in our food tests and produced evenly cooked, crispy French fries and shrimp. The Brussels sprouts also came out with a nice crispy exterior and moist, crunchy interior. As with the other basket-style fryers, the non-stick basket and tray insert were simple to clean, either run them through the dishwasher or just wash them in the sink with a sponge and warm soapy water. The smooth layout of the control panel is also convenient to clean, and since there are no knobs, dials, cracks or crevices to deal with, we were able to simply wipe the entire panel down as well. The most noticeable issue with the Ninja AF101 air fryer is how loud it is. In fact, it was the loudest of all models we tested. In our opinion, it's not a deal breaker, but some might find it irritating. If you don't mind a little noise and are looking for a fryer that can effectively tackle a good range of cooking tasks, it even has a dehydrate setting. For a price that won't break the bank, this model is a great choice. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with Clear Cook and Odor Erase. The brand behind the iconic Instant Pot also makes air fryers, and its top-of-the-range model consistently turned out the crispiest fries and chicken wings of any air fryers we tested. In our testing, the fries had crisp exteriors but soft, fluffy insides, and the chicken was moist while its skin was crispy and retained loads of flavour. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with Clear Cook and Odor Erase builds on the previous iteration, the Instant Vortex Plus, with a plastic window in the basket and a light that lets you keep an eye on food while it's cooking, and has a built-in filter to reduce smells too. However, it doesn't come with any cooking charts, which means you will need to spend time experimenting to achieve the right cooking duration and temperature, particularly when it comes to frozen food. We also found the crisper plate falls out if the basket is tipped too much when removing food, and the display suffers from fingerprint marks. However, these are minor gripes on what is in our eyes the best air fryer on the market right now. So that wraps up our list of the best air fryers. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up. As always, I appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which air fryer you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.